Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be making cauliflower steaks. You're going to want to stick around. These are awesome. We'll be using a medium-sized cauliflower head, and we are trimming the leaves off of the base, making sure to leave the base of the cauliflower intact, as this really does hold the entire cauliflower together. Now we'll start by slicing our cauliflower into 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick slices, and each slice will serve as our steak, using air quotes here. So make sure to give yourself a generous amount of leeway when you're making your steaks. You definitely don't want to make these too thin, otherwise they will crumble and fall apart, and they won't taste like steaks. Alright, in a small bowl we're adding 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Next we're adding some salt to taste. Don't really like to measure salt. We're also using a bit of crushed black pepper. We'll add 1 tablespoon of paprika, and this will give our sauce a wonderful smoky flavor and a nice, beautiful, rich red color. For a bit of a kick, we're using 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Go ahead and stir these ingredients together to make your sauce. Now you'll want to brush this sauce onto each cauliflower steak, making sure to really saturate each steak with the olive oil. This is really what gives your cauliflower its nice, rich flavor and its crispy texture. Scallions are my favorite ingredient, and here they really do great justice to our dish. So we're chopping up about a handful of green onions or scallions, and we will go ahead and add these as we are sauteing our steaks on the skillet. You'll want to add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil and saute each steak on medium to medium-high heat for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side. We went ahead and added our green onion at the halfway mark, and this gives you a nice additional flavor and some variety of color along with the steaks. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. These steaks are fantastic. You can serve these as a side dish or a main dish, and they will be a hit every single time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.